All right, you see we're out here on this hot day, like every other day here in Florida. Our guys are up there 10 to 12 hours a day, working their butts off. We do everything we can with the Gatorades, and they take breaks and do everything they can. But when they're on your house or at your business, show them a little love, give them a little something to say thank you. You bring out a thing of waters, they'll love you forever and work even harder for you. But just these guys are working their tail off. Let's do everything we can to help support them.